Meet DELMIA Augmented Experience, the end-to-end augmented reality solution designed for manufacturing precision and efficiency. From assembly to inspection, DELMIA Augmented Experience transforms every step of your manufacturing process. Empower your workforce, enhance quality, streamline operations like never before. Create AR content from your 3D model and process data. Guide operators step by step with contextualized work instructions displayed directly on the shop floor. Capture field data in real time, linked to the 3D model for full traceability and engineering feedback. Powered by advanced model-based tracking and AI-driven sense computing, DELMIA ensures high-precision guidance in seconds. One software, any hardware. Adapt seamlessly to each use case and working environment. And with full integration into your IT and OT systems, DELMIA guarantees digital continuity from design to operations. Manufacturers achieve up to 60% productivity gains, near 100% first-time right assemblies, and faster operator ramp-up, boosting quality and reducing costs. Industry leaders are already transforming assembly and inspection with DELMIA Augmented Experience. DELMIA Augmented Experience, the future of manufacturing today.